Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all this beautiful Venkatagiri Pattu sari. Actually my friend, I asked her, she happened to go to Nellore, so I asked her to buy a couple of saris for me from Venkatagiri, so she did got these saris. They have beautiful collection, lot of color combinations. I was like really surprised and I got confused which sari to buy. Finally I ended up buying two saris from there. So this is one of my saris and I'm going to reveal the price of this sari only at the end of my video. So this is the silver flowers and everything. Nowadays silver is a trend now. If you notice, that's the top border you got here, and then it's a very beautiful, and then they have this style of giving orange color or some color at the end. So this is the close look of the flower and everything. So if you notice the border of the other side, this is the border, very decently designed. The border is so elegant, and it's like again this mango leaf design and everything, very well designed flower combination. So one of the main reasons that I bought the sari is because of the pallu. The pallu is very good. The weavers did an excellent job in bringing both traditional and trendy look at the same time. So if you notice here, all these leaves and especially the mango leaf design and everything, all over the pallu they have designed this lines pattern and everything, and especially the combination of pink and orange is very, very beautiful. I have seen very lot of saris with this color combination, but the main reason that I love the sari more because of the silver touch, and also on the orange it's looking like a gold touch to it. It's like, you know, it's like really taken the sari in a very beautiful way, for flashy or anything. It's just like a trend design, and especially with this silver and gold combination here is like taken this sari to a next level with the elegant color combinations and everything. So my one of my favorite saris, I should say, because not only this, because nowadays, like I mentioned, pink with silver is a trend, and this is how it looks the overall. You know, with the pink border and everything. So moving on to the blouses, this is the blouse that I got for this sari. So this one, I should say, I did not want any work or anything because they have this big border and they have given exactly the pallu that we got. So that's the reason I did not ask them to, you know, stitch it in a very like lot of work design or anything. Just a simple boat neck design, and this is the border that I got. All I did was like, you know, just added this small pink at the end of this blouse so that, you know, it will give more classy look to the entire look of the blouse design and everything. Other than that, very simple, plain and decent blouse, I should say. And then they have given exactly the work that they have on the pallu. So this is the work that they have on the pallu. Now let's move on to the second blouse. This one, I got this material. Actually, my sister got this meter cloth. I think she have spent around 500 rupees on this per meter. And this is the neck design that I've selected. And I was surprised. This one actually for another sari, but I'm surprised to see how well this matched to this sari. Especially with the bow neck design and everything, it matched so well. And friends, this is the neck design that I have selected, and then the front of this blouse is super simple, not fancy at all. So look at the combination. We got this pink with the silver flowers and everything. That's our sari as well. So it matched so well, especially if you have this orange border and everything, it pops out the blouse colors and everything very well. So this is how that I have selected the second blouse. Now let's move on to the third blouse. The third blouse that I have selected, this one you have already seen, and see, look at my blouse selections that I've made today. One is within the sari, one is totally pink, and then the other one is orange. The reason that why I have selected this, you got this orange checks design, and then this gold color border is like really matching to the border that we have. And also the border of this, I mean the blouse design and everything, this is the design that I've selected. So very simple, and then that button is giving a decent look to the blouse that we have selected. And actually, in fact, if you select the pink color button or something also, it will look more elegant to this blouse design actually. So these are the three blouses that I've selected today. Please do let me know in comments which one you like, and you know, I'll definitely happy if you have any questions. I'm definitely happy to share my ideas as well. So this is the pendant that I've selected for this, and I mean, this is the pendant or necklace. I have mentioned about this in my previous videos, especially the pearls with this pink color. What else we can ask for this sari? This one is like a super perfect matching to this sari, so this is the one that I've selected. And then the earrings, like I always mention, always keep it in a pouch. So these are the silver earrings which I got it from GRT, so gold with silver design. These are real silver. I got it for 7,000 rupees, and these ones are matching very well. It's been like 2 years, but I wore these like several times. I got tons of compliments, and it looks so real, and these are like very well made, and everything matches to almost all my saris. And these are the first bangle sets that I've selected today. I have selected 4 bangle sets, and this is the first one. I love the way that they have designed this pink with silver combination. That's the reason I've selected this, because our sari is entire silver with a pink combination. The second one, this one is one of my most favorite cloth bangles. If you wear it, you know, just one bangle is more than enough. You know, it can pop out so much, so it's like one of my favorite bangles. So this is how it looks. And then the third bangle set that I've selected is this one. You know, like mix and match is my goal, and you can always mix. Even within the bangles that I've selected here, you can always mix and match in various ways, but this is the way that I've matched. You know, you got this silver design and everything, so that's why I've selected orange is the border that we have. And so this is how the third bangle set looks. It matches very well to the entire look of the sari. Fourth one is very simple. All I selected is like, you know, 2 end bangles with pink color and then orange, since we have the pallu. This is how I selected. Of course, you can mix and match in various ways, especially with the cloth bangles. That's the awesome way of matching, mix and match, especially with cloth bangles. And this is the sari pin that I've selected for today. Very simple sari pin. I got it from Hyderabad. I have like 5 to 6 sari pins which I love, so this is one of them, and it's been with me for a very long time. Very simple and plain with beads and everything. So this is the overall design of the bangles and everything I've selected. So now let's move on to the clutch. This is the one that I've selected, and I have already shared this in my previous videos, but this one is like very well matched to the sari. And look at the colors in here. There are too many colors. It can match to any of my saris, I'm sure, because it got all these colors. And I've already shared with you all that my sister got this for me, and this one actually I wore this sari for a reception and for my cousin's reception, and I took this clutch, and it's very well matching, and it's very handy. It's bigger size and everything. So now let's move on to the price of the sari. The price of the sari that I have spent is 10,300 rupees, and I thought the price is very good, and especially with all the blouses that I've matched, I thought it's worth. And you know, the Venkatagiri Pattu, it gives like, it's like one of the wedding collections, I should say, because it has like this traditional, very grand and unique and awesome style. So that's the reason I'm happy to spend 10,300 rupees for this sari. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do let me know in comments how you like my video. And thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.